Not all heroes wear capes, but we know a few people who do.
Their capes look like scrubs, badges, and uniforms.
They put on their wear every day and don't ask for recognition.
To us, that's what heroes look like.
Today, through Ford Building Together, we are honoring these community heroes.
This act is just a small way to say thank you to our healthcare workers who care for our families and the Sheriff's Department who protects them.
At Kendall, we believe in showing up for people who show up for all of us. Our Sheriff's Department protects our communities every single day, but they don't just stop there. Through programs like Shop with a Cop, they build trust and give back to the local families.
Our healthcare workers show up on our most critical days. They show compassion no matter what.
That's what Ford Building Together is all about.
To our community heroes,
thank you.
Kendall, let's start something great.